Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, how you doing? Kind of a lot happened in this video. I kind of was really talking in this video, so sorry if this video is kind of long, than my other videos, but yeah. And if you could tell, I don't know if you could tell, but I can kind of tell a little bit on the monitor. You'll see why I don't match my chest if you guys could see it on camera, but IRL it looks horrible, and I will be wiping this off. I'll tell you guys later why I'm not gonna wipe it off anytime soon. And then yeah, I'll tell you guys why I don't match either. So if you want to know all that stuff, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I primed my face already, and I'm kind of feel a little bit small today because I'm not in my same chair that I'm always in. I'm in a different chair, and I kind of seem a little bit short, so hopefully it doesn't look like that on camera. And I do look tan, because I've been self-tanning, yeah. And I've been really liking it lately. I don't remember off the top of my head what it's called, but it'll be down below in the description. So yeah, I just really like it. I look a little bit tan. I don't think on the monitor I'm not looking tan, like I look like IRL. Does that make sense? I'm kind of looking a little bit lighter, but IRL, I look really, really tan, and I really like it. Just my face is not tan because I don't want to break out from this stuff, and yeah. But I primed my face, I curled my hair, which is so shocking that my hair is actually staying for the curls, because usually my hair does not hold anything, and it's holding, like the curls are holding in, which is awesome. And like, it's just so great. I just love it so much. I'll actually have the one that I use down below in the description for you guys to check that out. But yeah. Let's just get into this video. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing today, like what kind of makeup look that I'm going to be doing, but we're just going to hop right in and we'll see where we go. And yeah, I was trying to find like an inspo or something, but I couldn't find any like inspiration or anything, so I think it's that kind of day where I just like do whatever, and let's just see where it goes. I do want to do some kind of really, really pretty bronzy, I think, kind of look, because I am taking pictures today. My mom's taking pictures of me. When I'm recording this, my mom is taking my brother to take pictures for his birthday. His birthday is on March 15th. And yeah, so we're gonna go take pictures of him. And I was like, hey, you might as well just take pictures of me too, because why not? Not for my birthday, but just because why not? Just like a little photo shoot or whatever. But yeah, so I am going to I'm not really going to go like tell you guys what kind of brushes I'm going to be using, but I'm going to try to have the brushes down below in the description, and all like the face makeup that I use. Like I put primer on earlier, and I'll have that down below also, and like the rest of my face makeup. But yeah, so I'm going to grab, let's grab Pukey. I haven't grabbed that color in a hot minute. We're going to grab Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Jaclyn and Morphe palette. And I'm just going to put that right in my crease. I'm going to try to keep the color into the crease, so I'm going to go kind of like this with the brush and kind of keep it into the crease. Now with it like this, it will blend everything together, and it'll like go up here, it'll just go everywhere and just blend really nicely. But I want this color really into the crease, so I'm going to have my brush like this to keep it into the crease. I have not recorded in a hot minute, and it's so, like, I'm so happy that I'm recording, because I was out of town for the weekend, and it was a great trip. I really enjoyed it, to be honest. Not the car ride, because it was like a 6-hour drive there to Georgia. That's where we went. And yeah, so now I'm gonna take the same exact brush, And I'm going to, actually, I'm going to change a brush. I just want a brush that is more, that comes to a point. No, actually, let's just take a smaller fluffy brush. I don't know what I want. Obviously, I never know what I want. I'm going to grab this one. It's a little bit lighter, but I mean, why not? Let's go in it. This is the Color Pop pressed eyeshadow, pressed powder eyeshadow in Paper Tiger, and I'm just gonna take that and the same exact thing that we did with Pukey. I'm going to keep that into the crease, but I'm going to keep it on the outer part. I'm going to bring it to the inner part also, but I'm going to keep most of the product on the outer part of the crease. And I'm kind of am in a rush because I'm actually going to like I said in the beginning, take like a little photo shoot. I'm also going to put it on the outer part of the eye because like we're already here and we might as well do it. So let's just do it. And then I'm going to take this first brush that we were using and blend everything together. Yeah, so alright, so I was actually thinking of going with a blue, which is called Bandersnatch from the, I was going to say Jaclyn Hill palette, but the Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass palette, that blue that's in there, which is called Bandersnatch, like I said. But I was like, So I'm going to go in with, I don't even know what this is. I think this is from like the Balm or something. I have no idea, but I'm going to try to find it. I know I got it on my Ipsy, so I'm going to try to find it on my Ipsy and put it down below the description. But if it's not there, it's either I didn't look for it or I just couldn't find it. I'm going to take the same brush that we just took and the brush that we took, Paper Tiger. I'm going to take this color. I'm going to take a little bit at a time, just like a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see that color, but it's just a little bit on the tip of the brush. Well, in the middle of the brush, you know what I mean? And I'm going to, oh my god, my palette just almost fell. But I'm going to put that on the outer part, but I'm going to try to put it, so right here, I need something. Right here, right in like the crease on the outer part, we put Paper Tiger. I'm going to try to put this color kind of right here, near the lash line, just so you could still see that color that we took, Paper Tiger, and this color doesn't cover it up. It's okay if it covers it up just a little bit, but I don't want it to cover it up a lot. But yeah. And then I'm going to blend it out and take more of that color and just keep going with it because I don't want to take a lot and then I screw up and the whole look screwed up and I can't do anything about it. So I'm going to take a little bit at a time of this color. Alright, so I'm seeing a lot of people wearing shimmers today, so you know I'm going to be wearing shimmer. I just don't know what kind of shimmer I want to wear. So I'm going to try to find something really pretty, and I'm thinking this right here because like this is so pretty, and I never was able to wear this. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but I was never able to wear it because I'm so pale. But since I have my tan on, you know, which it looks good, I'm going to put this on. And this is like Ofra something, I don't remember what it's called, but I'll have it down below in the description. Whoa. I never use this color on my lid, and it's so pigmented, like, girl. Alright, so, now, should I do a wing or not? I have no idea if I should do a wing, because I don't want to mess up. I'm going to challenge myself. I'm not really good at wings, but you know, I used to be really bomb at wings, but then we just lost each other, and I don't know where our relationship went, but it went somewhere else, and we don't have a really big relationship because we kind of, eyeliner screws me over, like seriously, no joke. But it didn't before, but now it's it just does that all the time, and I just don't get it. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes, and let me figure out what kind of lashes I'm gonna be wearing first. I'm wearing these today. I don't even know what kind of lashes these are, but I know that they're dirty. I need to clean them, but every single time, well, when I used to clean lashes, the first time I cleaned lashes, it just went downhill. So if you have any, kind of way to clean your lashes, comment down below and let me know. I'm going to be using this Total Temptation mascara as my mascara, and then I'm going to apply those lashes. Alright, so I'm going to do my full face off camera real quick, and I am going to be right back with you guys. Yeah, so... Alright guys, so I have my full face on, and literally I'm so angry. Like, I am not, like, I don't have, like, a shade, for my tan, but yesterday I did. What day did I have it? On Monday I did. I'm recording this on Tuesday. When I did my makeup on Monday, I matched so well with my tan, and I just do not right now. Like, literally, it's so bad. I look kind of pinky, or, I don't know, but I'm just so angry, like, I don't even want to talk about it. But anyway, I'm going to take Pukey, and which is this color, and run it down on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Paper Tiger on the same brush, and just run it down there on the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take the third color that we took, I think the third, this one right here, and I'm going to grab that on like a definer brush, if I can find one, right here. And I'm going to apply that close to the waterline. And then I'm going to put some powder on the lower lash line. And put some mascara down there. And also, when that dries, I want to put white in the waterline. And what I took for my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I took these two Wet n Wild highlighters. This one's in Crown of My Canopy, and this one in Blossom Glow. I just took those for my highlighter, for my brow bone and my inner corner, and for my, like, right here. So yeah. And then I went with this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color by Rimmel London in Rose d'Ateau. And yeah, so I'm going to wipe this powder away, and then I'm going to put on my clothes, and hopefully I can pick something that covers my, like, chest and whole body, because, girl, I don't match, and it's giving me, like a heart attack. Like, I'm getting, like, freaking out. So that's basically what I'm doing. But I'm going to do all that stuff, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so if you guys like this video, a lot happened, I felt like, in this video. I don't know if I'm going to put all the stuff that I was talking about in this video. Well, it wasn't a lot, but I talked a lot in this video. I mean, I talk a lot in all my videos, but I feel like this one I talk, like, a lot. My eyes are super pretty. I just, like, my chest and my face does not match, and it's so annoying. Like, I literally just want to take a makeup remover and just wipe it all off, because it's bothering me so much. When I see, like, my skin not matching my neck, or somebody else's face makeup not matching their neck, it makes me freak out, and it just, I don't know, I have like I freak out, and I just want to fix it somehow, like removing it all and applying something, like applying it again and fixing it, but I don't think there's no fixing, because I have nothing to match me right now. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, I hope you guys like this, like, makeup tutorial. If you recreate this look, comment down below, or let me know on different social media. My other social medias will be down below in the description, and everything that I use on my face, everything will be down below in the description, and also the brushes that I used, also the curling wand that I used today, and also my self-tanner will be down below in the description also. I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!